I'm going to open up the new Cricut Joy. My first one. I'm excited about using it. I basically bought it to make cards. I figured it would be easier than using the big ones that I have. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, isn't that awesome? Okay, I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to take that out. Oh, I just slide it, I guess. And that's that. Now, I'm going to plug it in. Now, I'm not using a computer with this. I'm going to use my phone. So hopefully, I never know how to plug these in. I don't think it really matters. Could be wrong though. There. Take all these wires off. And to use this, you have to be Bluetoothing it. So if you're using a computer, you have to Bluetooth it. It does not take any other cords. So it plugs right in the back. It's tiny. Okay. And now I guess when you plug it in, that it comes on. And you plug it in. There's no on and off switch for it. There's a little light right there to say it's on. And to just move. Okay, well I'm going to pause it because I cannot video it and use the design space for it. I'm going to try to make a card for my husband. It's our anniversary coming up on July 29th. So I'll make another video while I make it. Actually, not while I make it. After I make it. Have a great day.